Alright, we got a BMW here. Oh, it's hit. This car is heavily damaged. Listen to that. Look at that paint. Literally every inch of this thing is covered all the way to the bottom. Headlights are heavily damaged. Here's the glass. Okay. Look, even every piece of it's got dots on it. Okay, there's the top. That's some paint there, y'all. Yeah. All the way to the bottom. I did repair this one little area right here just to let the guy know he's gonna be alright. Time to get to work. Might seem a little crazy using a razor blade, but believe me, they got an $18,000 estimate on this vehicle. That's what the owner said, to repaint it, replace trim pieces, all that. If I can't clean your vehicle with this and this, you got some troubles. You got some real troubles. I'm gonna get the last bit of the hood now. Glad to get it done, let me tell you. Listen to that paint. What I'm doing is cleaning off the residue that the blade didn't pick up. Some tough paint. Okay, this has not been waxed, not been polished. It's just been shaved and clayed. Clay bar this off. Playing through the wax. Let's cut down the friction. This is I never hide this from you. There's no dots. It looks really good. Alright. Again, I'm going to have to shave it. consider the wax like my shaving cream. I've done not hundreds, thousands of cars like this. I only used the fine grade clay because I shave cars. I don't have to try to use something strong beside that's going to scuff the car. That is perfection. Minimum effort too. I wasn't rubbing on it real hard or anything. You didn't see me having to rub real hard or use any harsh chemicals. Nothing. Soap and water, a clay bar, and wax. Alright. Continue shaping this here side. I mean, like I said before, the Mercedes BMW dealership said they wanted to paint this. So they obviously tried to do some sort of sanding or whatever and said, no, paint it. But I have shot down so many paint estimates. That razor blade right there. I know everybody on the internet's like, oh, hey, you guys nuts. He uses a razor blade. But you know what? I'm also that guy that's able to clean any vehicle I touch. And I got the videos to prove it. That's why I'm making this video here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, see what you do, I'll get like 99.9% of it off. Then when I'm done, I go around and make sure every panel is perfect. So, you can see where I shaped it. If there was any scratches, you'd be able to tell. 2015 750 BMW, it's done. This vehicle had a lot of paint on it, and it was not easy getting it off. The traditional methods would not get it off. Body shop would probably want to paint it. Did you say you had an estimate on it, buddy?
I did have an estimate for $19,800.
Wow. There's nothing cheap on that car.
No.
Everything's expensive. But BMWs have excellent paint. For the amount of overspray you had on this vehicle, the paint did very well. All your door handles are done, all the trim, all through here, your mirrors, the inside of the mirror, all that. See your tail lights polished. It was all the way to the very bottom. I mean, it was all the way to the very bottom where your exhaust tips are. Look at that. It's a fine machine. What do they say? German engineering at its best.
Right, yeah,
That's right there. German engineering at its best. That is a nice ride. You know, I love this car, but I gotta have a truck.
I hear you.
All right, National Overspray Removal Service on site. This here vehicle is repaired. It's a sweet ass ride.